Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you Pinkzio lashes that I received. I have two pairs. We're going to start off with this one, which is called Vibe Queen. It retails for $12.99 on their website, and there are 9 different lash styles to choose from. And this one in particular has a style that is almost natural, but so lengthy that it is not natural, but glamorous. And in this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how I usually apply my false lashes, my strip lashes. I love, I need. As you can see, I do not have lashes and I need the help. So I always apply a black liner underneath so that it blends in with my lash. And as you can see, it was too long for my eye size that I had to cut off a little bit. And usually I like to cut off from the outward in because I like the smaller length in the middle of the inner corner lashes. But I have to get the glue tacky before I apply it over that liner and then carefully use some tweezers to put it in the spots that I feel comfortable with. And then after I use the regular tweezers, I go in with a lash applicator, which binds my natural lashes to the false lashes, making it more natural looking. But that is just a tip that I have in all of my lash videos. If you want to check out my playlist, you will see all different kinds of styles and brands of lashes that I have used and tried out for myself. But this is what Vibe Queen looks like on my eyes, and I absolutely love it. I think it is so beautiful, lengthy, yet natural, but also glam at the same time. And I feel like even without the eyeshadow, it looks super natural. And this is what it looks like from afar. As you can see, so beautiful. I would definitely get this pair again. Next up, we are going to be looking at the second pair of lashes they sent, which I'm super excited for because they look like my go-to style. I love. Look at the volume on these lashes. They are so beautiful and bold and mega. And again, we're going to size them to my eyes, and as you can see, they're a little bit too long, so I do have to cut off, which I'm going to cut off from the outward in again, and I actually just cut it, so now it is perfect for a cat eye again, and I like to do the soft cat eye look. As you can see, my lashes need a lot of help to open up, and these lashes definitely help with that. Look how crazy dramatic and standout-ish my eyes look now with these Fiery Queen lashes, which retail for $14.99. I'm so excited about these ones. I'm definitely going to be wearing these all the time. They are Makeup Volume 3D Faux Mink lashes, and they have a black band. You can wear them up to 10 to 15 times with proper care, and I am obsessed. These are definitely my favorites out of the two, but I do absolutely love the other ones as well. But this one is definitely what I'm going to be wearing all the time. But that was my video, guys. This is the Vibe Queen again, just to show you what it looks like. Also very beautiful, but hope you enjoyed my video. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.